What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. That's right, we are going to pick up a new toolbox at Harbor Freight. It's currently below zero here in Nebraska, so that's lovely, but we're going to go out to Harbor Freight, pick up this new toolbox, and hopefully get it back home, get it put together, and get some tools organized in it. So let's go. Alright, it's been a couple days, but we're back. It snowed out here in Nebraska and it was below zero, so I didn't really have any want or time to come out here and mess with this toolbox, but we're going to go ahead and get it opened up now and see what it looks like. I'm guessing it's not going to have the wheels on it, so probably going to get some help to tip it over and put the wheels on it, but let's go ahead and get this thing unboxed and see what it looks like. Well, here it is. Looks pretty good. It does have the wheels on it, so I'm probably gonna figure out a way to get it off this pallet and get it down on the ground and get some tools in it. Well, that's what we got. I'll show you guys what the drawers look like. This little locking mechanism is a little bit tricky. There we go. So it looks like we got a handle here for the, must go on the side of the box there. Looks like we got some mats to go in all the drawers to keep our stuff from rolling around. So, but this thing feels very solid, very nice. I mean, definitely feels like a nice heavy duty box, and that color is just sick. Not quite sure what this is for. Looks like a few pieces of wood made into some triangle contraption. But yeah, guess we'll set that off the side for now.
6.5 hours later.
Alrighty, it's getting very cold out here, so I think I'm gonna wrap this up. But for now, what we got is we got the toolbox off of the pallet. I was able to kind of tilt one side off and roll it, and then pull the pallet out from underneath it. So came off pretty smooth. But then we got some other accessories up here. We got a beer can holder, paper towel holder. We got a magnetic tray, can hold screwdrivers. Then we got this power strip, and they're all gray to match the toolbox, so they're all the same color. And then up here in this top drawer, we got all of our sockets, metric and standard, all of them organized on trays. Ratchet, some screwdrivers, torque wrench, and then down here in this drawer we got some Milwaukee power tools, and that's all I've got so far. But I'm sure we're gonna keep adding tools. You know, we're never gonna run out of tools to buy, so hopefully we'll have this thing all filled up. It's gonna take a while, but we're gonna slowly get there. Thank you guys for tuning in and watching this video. I really appreciate it. Like I said, we're gonna keep adding tools to this toolbox, so make sure you guys hit that like and subscribe button if you like this kind of content, and I'll keep making it. See you guys in the next one.